In this problem, we're finding the Cartesian product or cross product of two sets. So we're starting with A cross B. And we have that set A is the set W, X, Y, and Z, and set B is A and B. So in order to write A cross B, I start with my regular set notation, opening the brace, and we're going to get a set of ordered pairs. So I'll take the first element of A, which is W, and the first element of B, which is A, and I have the ordered pair W, comma A. Make sure that you have each ordered pair within parentheses and the two elements separated with a comma. And then in our Cartesian set, the whole set, we have commas separating each separate element as well. So now my next element will be W, comma B. And there's no particular order that I have to do these in other than the pairs themselves have to be in the particular order. So B, comma W would not work here, just W, comma B, because it's A cross B. All right, next we have X, comma A and X, comma B. And then I have Y, comma A, Y, comma B, and Z, comma A, Z, oops. There we go, close, and then comma, and Z, comma B, and close the parenthesis. Okay, so we have A cross B, and there's our set. Now, how many elements are in this set? Well, we've got 8 altogether, and you can see that's because there's 4 in A and 2 in B, and it's every possible pairing, so you get 4 times 2, which is 8. Next, let's write the set B cross A. I'll open and say my first element will be A, comma W. And then I can do A, comma X, A, comma Y, and A, comma Z. And then B, comma W, and so on. And again, we have 8 elements for the same reason. It's just now it's 2 times 4 instead of 4 times 2. It's the same thing either way. Now let's look at a set crossed with itself. So now we have A cross A. And this we use quite a bit. All right, so first element will be W, comma W, and then I'll pair W with every other element in A. Now I'm going to pair X with W. Now notice that this is a different element than W, comma X because of the order. X, comma X, X, comma Y, X, comma Z. And you can see already we're going to have 16 elements in this set because there are 4 in A and of course 4 in A. So 4 times 4 gives me 16. Oh, and look, that went very quickly. So there we've got all 16 elements. Of A cross A. And finally, I'm going to find B cross B. This will be the nice and quickest one because I just have A, comma A, comma B, B, comma A, comma, B. 4 elements. So that's our problem.